Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Ayan Mitra, Assistant Professor of Physics, City College. Today, we are going to discuss a beautiful thought, or you can say, we can share our beautiful thoughts, which is based on the power of positive energy. Okay, so we know that in our personal life and as well as in our society, we have observed that there are so many positive things happen, and when positive things happen, we become happy. And when negative things like different types of crimes, like robbery, like murder, like fight between our neighbors happening, we become sorrow. Similarly, in our personal life, when negative things happen, we become sorrow, we become sad. But my question is that, what is the reason behind this happiness, or what is the reason behind this sadness, which happens in our life and also in our society? So my point is that we are not responsible for that. That something happens good in our life, we are responsible for that, and something happens negative in our life as well as in our society. My question is that, are not we responsible for that? Okay, in this regard, I will share a short story. A boy of age 6-year-old and a girl, his sister basically, of age 4 years. They are walking in a market, and suddenly the boy of age 6 years looked that her sister lagged behind. So he take turn and observed that her sister is looking, standing in front of a shop and looking at a beautiful doll. So the boy come to her sister and asked her, "Do you like that?" The sister said, "Yes, I like the doll." Then the boy take the doll and give her sister, and the shopkeeper of this shop see the matured behavior of the boy. Then the boy come to the shopkeeper and asked, "What is the cost of this doll?" Okay, then the shopkeeper told her, "What can you pay for this doll?" So this boy take her hand to the pocket and take some shells which he collected from the seashore, and he give these shells to the shopkeeper. So shopkeeper take it and with very love and affection, and he started to count the shell like counting the penny. Okay, so then the boy looked at her worriedly and asked, "Is that not enough for the doll?" The shopkeeper then tell, no, it is more than enough. He takes just 4 shells from the boy and give him the doll. Okay, then the boy will become happy, and he and his sister now leave this market happily. Then one of the servant of the shopkeeper asked his master, "How can you give him the so much costly doll instead of just 4 shells?" The shopkeeper then tells, or the master then tells the servant, that the boy does not know the meaning of money still now, but he has a lot of love, affection for her sister, for his sister. I realize that. So that is why I am giving him the doll instead of 4 shells. But when the boy will grow up and understand the meaning of money, then he remember me, and then he realized that the shopkeeper, the master of the shopkeeper, give me such a costly doll in place of just 4 shells instead of money. So this fact admire him to be a good man. The boy will realize then that there are so many good people in the world. So that admires him to be good in future. So the main thing of this story is that what you infuse to the world, what thought you infuse into the world, that thought will spread out. If you do some good, so good thought, then goodness will be spread. If you do bad, negativity will spread. So the motto of the story is that if you do good, then goodness will be spread in your society. Like our teachers, if we tell our children, our neighbors and our students, if we advise to be helpful, to be kindness, to be loyal in your work, and they will admire by this thought, and they will try to do that, and also they will tell these things to the others, to be kind, to be helpful. In this way, the good thoughts will be spread in the world, in our society, in our life. So what you do good, that will come return in a magnified way in your life, in any form that you don't know. So always try to do some good work, always try to be kindful, show your kindness to the poor and other distressed people, always be helpful kindness, okay? So that will help yourself also and change your society and change your life. So try to be good in your work, try to be good in your profession, try to be loyal in every aspects of your life. Be kindness, be helpful. That's it.